These wonderful sensory experiences are from the phone, Xiaomi 12, a phone that you'll love. Generally speaking, single-handed comfort is critical to the width design. Usually, a 6.1-inch phone is 71.5 millimeters wide. So what about Xiaomi 12? The answer is 69.9 millimeters with a large 6.28-inch screen. This means that you get a larger screen while still enjoying a more comfortable single-hand holding experience. It has a frame with a highly unified hand feel that smoothly curves to the back of the phone. It's the ultimate narrow frame of the industry. As for the frame's midsection, the thickness slightly varies, of which one side is 4.48 millimeters and the other being only 4.18 millimeters. While in an invisible space, using the sandwich structure is the smallest main board among Xiaomi 5G phones. Many ultra-small parts are fully narrowed, contributing 6.45 millimeters of space. To balance between strong dissipation and exquisite shape, Xiaomi 12 is equipped with 2,600 millimeter vapor chamber vapor plates and a total of 10,345 millimeter graphite vapor sheets. Capillary force is promoted through the improved mesh density so that the VC is as thin as 0.3 millimeters, which is the thinnest in the history of Xiaomi phones. To bring a more integrated sense of holding, most gaps on Xiaomi 12, such as between the screen and frame's midsection, or between the frame's midsection and back cover, all complete the breakthrough from the conventional 0.1 millimeters to 0.05 millimeters for an ultimate hand feel. The backplane also plays an important role. The bright-colored material is indeed eye-catching, but the natural and clean design is what tops the cake. This time, the texture and touch of Xiaomi 12 is even more exquisite through 37 procedures and double-sided polishing. The glass cover feels more integrated, and the strength is also stepped up. Let's take a closer look. It is the natural crystal structure that gives the phone a fascinating velvet touch. A piece of glass with such a smooth feeling reflects perfection. Of course, in order to match the ultimate hand feel, Xiaomi 12 also implements a rigorous philosophy of visual order. Every line is proof of the designer's careful outlining and design. This achieved a flawless combination of look and touch. A hardware configuration that never disappoints is the basis of an excellent experience. Additionally, we thought about what else can Xiaomi bring you. You can find the answers in our Xiaomi 12, the annual new flagship series. We strive to elaborate on the hand feel and details without regard to costs, difficulties, or complications. This is Xiaomi 12, the annual new flagship series. Relentless exploration is on the way, so everyone can enjoy a better life through innovative technology.